Hi there, and welcome again to Frugal Stickman Channel. I created this YouTube channel last October 3rd. Every weekend, I poured my time, my energy, and every bit of creativity I had into it. 12 videos later, I hit delete on all of them. Yeah, everything I worked on for an entire month. Gone. At first, I know it was stupid and crazy. Why would anyone throw away all that effort? But something didn't sit right. The content didn't feel enough. It didn't seem to be something I could be proud of. So today, I'm starting over. From zero. And if you're like me, who feels lost, stuck, or ready to give up on YouTube, this one's for you. Chapter 1. The first attempt and what went wrong. When I started this channel, I had one goal: to finally start. No more overthinking. No more someday. And for the first few weeks, I was unstoppable. I was uploading every weekend. Scripting, generating images, editing, uploading. But after 12 videos, something felt off. The views were low, sure. The channel is very new and it's expected. But that wasn't what bothered me. It was that quality was not at par to what I was aiming for. Sure, I was new to the entire content creation process, but I felt that I've rushed everything. I tried to deliver 3 videos a week, and in the process of meeting the target I set for myself, I sacrificed the quality of my work. I was making content that was just okay, and I don't want that. So in the evening of November 3rd, I opened my channel dashboard and hit delete. 12 videos. Gone in seconds. It hurt, but it also felt like a much-needed reset. Chapter 2. The mindset, reset, and learning from failure. Starting over doesn't mean you failed. It means you've learned what doesn't work. Those 12 videos, they were my foundation, not my failure. They taught me how to tell a story, how to edit, how to upload consistently. But most importantly, they taught me who I don't want to be on YouTube or on any other online platform. If you're in that same place, frustrated, comparing yourself to others, wondering if you should quit, don't. Instead, pause. Reflect and ask yourself, what kind of content actually excites me? What videos would I still make even if no one watched them? What would I create if I wasn't afraid of failing again? That's where the restart begins. Chapter 3. The strategy and how to rebuild smarter. This time, I'm not just restarting. I'm rebuilding. And here's how I'm doing it differently. Step by step. Step 1. Redefine the mission. No more, I just want to grow. Now, I want to create videos that actually help or inspire someone. That simple shift changes everything. Step 2. Focus on value, not volume. Instead of uploading every week just to stay consistent, I'm slowing down, researching what people need, what problems I can solve, and how I can bring something unique to the table. Step 3. Create in systems, not chaos. I'm building a workflow, planning topics in batches, scripting on weekdays, editing and scheduling uploads on weekends. Structure beats motivation every time. Step 4. Be okay with cringe. Your first few videos will never be perfect. And that's okay. You don't improve by being great. You improve by being consistent. Step 5. Build a brand, not just a channel. What's the story behind your channel? What values do you stand for? When people click on your video, what do you want them to feel? That's the real key to long-term growth. Chapter 4. The comeback. So yeah, I deleted everything. And it feels scary, but also freeing. Because this time, I'm not starting from zero. I'm starting from experience. If you're restarting too, remember this. You're not behind. You're just refining. You've already learned what most people are too scared to even try. So go ahead. Reflect, re-strategize, and rebuild. Whatever that project may be. Not because you failed, but because you've grown. And if you're on this same journey, hit that subscribe button. Because this time, we're doing it right. Together.